And of course it would start raining right now, but I got some stuff in the mail, so I'm gonna put them in the car and then we'll do like a little update. So yeah, sorry for the terrible angle and whatever, probably not even that bad, but alright, so you already know the Versace robe Dawn is back again with another video, but this one's just a quick update. So Fedex, being the worst company in the whole wide world, is delaying my package. Amazon delivered my packages 2 days early. UPS delivered my package 3 days early. FedEx is already a day late. So hopefully they don't take too long, because I really do need this. It's a supercharger that I'm waiting for, and I need to do the unboxing video. And I also need to book shop time and get the rest of my stuff. But it's looking like the rest of my stuff should be here soon. I also got a new camera, and I'll be showing you guys when I get it. But yeah, we just got to get the ball on the road, because I'm really just not playing anymore. It's all go time, put up or shut up, whatever have you. But yeah, so I'll show you guys what I got in the box. This is a filter. And you can see it's from AEM. If you know what it is, if you know, you know. If you don't, you will. I'll get into this later. And then some heat reflective tape. And this is actually the good stuff. It's like $50 fucking. So yeah. Is it a hair? Oh no, that's just a piece of tape to hold it down. No, I was about to say. But yeah, there's really not much I can do, not much I can say. But I'll just give you guys an update anyway. Oh, bars, goddamn, that rhyme is crazy. I'll have to start making music so I can pay for this car stuff. But yeah, so since it's raining, I can't actually show you the thing, so I'm just gonna put like a screenshot of it right here. So I'm at like 2901 subscribers. When I get to 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a gimbal, like the zhiyun crane. I'm most likely going to order a new one and just have it shipped to you directly, because it's annoying, it's not working. So yeah, when I get to 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to drop a video, and then I'm going to do like the comment picker thing. So like whoever comments on the video, I'm gonna put all those comments like together and do a random comment picker, and that'll be the winner of, well, the gimbal is second place because it's only like 50 to 100 bucks. First place is the thing that was in the screenshot before, and I'm just gonna put it here again. It's the Rocket Bunny style arrow, and it's made out of polyurethane. I was gonna use it on the E36, but the E36 is gone. The E92 M3 has arrow, so I don't need it. Well, I have arrow that I'm going to put on, so I don't need it. You know what I mean? But yeah, so that was like 200 bucks. So that's gonna be the first prize. Second prize is gonna be the gimbal. Third prize, I'll probably do like 50 bucks or something like that through PayPal. But yeah, those are gonna be the three prizes for 3,000 subscribers. So yeah, feel free to like, share, comment, do whatever. Tell your friends, oh, he's supercharging an E92 M3 and he's gonna be doing methanol injection and headers, and he's gonna be downsizing to 18s with fat tires, and he's gonna get like a nice looking wing on the back made out of carbon fiber, so it can be like more track focus. He's gonna get canard. He has canards for the front. He's doing a bunch of cool stuff with his E92 M3 that's supercharged, and he's gonna be doing like tuning videos, dyno videos, supercar hunting, and all that kind of stuff. Like, be like, yeah, this guy, watch, he's makes some pretty sick content. It sucks, but it's sick at the same time. That's all you gotta say. But yeah, word of mouth is like the best way. I'll be advertising myself as I do per usual. But yeah, this is also just gonna be a one take type of thing, because I'm just gonna get through everything and then call it a day. But yeah, that's the giveaway at 3,000, which is pretty soon, and that's kind of crazy. But yeah, hopefully I can get to like maybe even 5,000 by the end of the year. But 5,000, it'll be another giveaway, and then 10,000, it'll be a giveaway. So I'm gonna be doing giveaways every like milestone. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. What else? So with the supercharger install, I was at Axion, and that was a couple videos ago, or maybe the last video, because I haven't uploaded in a couple days. But with the supercharger install, I'm going to be doing videos as much as I can of my car and the E46 M3, my boy Haywood. I'm going to be getting some clips of that if I can. If not, I'll just get like some reviews and driving videos and everything like that. And what else? I'm going to be recording this car. As you know, I'm going to be going out to the shop as much as I can. At the look of it right now, since he's super packed up and he still needs like somebody in the shop to like bang some stuff out, he's pretty backed up. So the supercharger install will be next week. So that means till then, I'm going to be doing videos on this car. So I'm going to have some like head cam footage and everything like that, like driving videos and everything like that, while I'm still on the E85 tune. Then I'm going to put it to the 93 tune. Then I'm going to do a video on that, and then I'm going to revert it back to the stock tune, and then do a video on the stock tune versus the 93 tune versus the 85 tune, and see if I notice anything. If I do, that'll be cool. If I don't, that'll be cool. Don't really care. I'm going boosted, so it's not needed anymore. But I'm still gonna keep it just in case I ever like put this car back to N8, which I don't see why I would. But yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. So it's gonna be a lot of content coming in this next week, or the next 2 weeks. Well, this week and next week, so these 2 weeks. And yeah, I'm gonna be super busy and I have a lot to do, but that's good for me and that's good for y'all, because my channel will grow, my viewership will grow, you guys will get stuff to watch, you guys will be able to use me as a guinea pig for this supercharger kit and everything that I'm doing for it, and you guys will see like whether this is a kit that you would want, or if you would want to get like the G1 Plus or the G2. That is like, I believe you have to like do like a new clutch and everything like that, but that's like a professional racer. But whatever, anyhow, you guys will just see like how it goes. But I'm sorry, this was a lot of talking. There's really nothing I can do because I had content planned for today, and Fedex fucked me as usual. Like, Jesus Christ, it didn't take me out to dinner, didn't do anything. It just, I hate Fedex so much. Like, I'd rather pay a crackhead to walk my package over here from wherever it comes from than FedEx. At least I know that I have somebody I can rely on. And anyhow, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, do whatever, and I'll get you guys in the next one. Hopefully tomorrow the supercharger comes so I can get some content, because I really want to do that. Like, I'm really dying for the supercharger. I want the supercharger so bad. I don't care if I'll run around with the supercharger spitting it if I have to. I just want a supercharger. I just want that. But anyhow, thanks for watching. You already know, Black Lives Matter. And don't say all lives matter, because all lives matter won't matter till Black Lives Matter. And that's just that. So if anybody's protesting, if you're looting, if you're rioting, if you're being peaceful, if you're doing whatever, do what you do. It's not up to me to tell you how to get your point across. But we're all here for the same thing. We don't want anything crazy. We just want to, just want things to be fair. People are not trying to die. You're not trying to die. I'm not trying to die. Like, anyhow, world's crazy right now. And I hope things get back to normal. So, yeah. I'll catch y'all in the next one. And drink water, motherfuckers. You already know what the fuck going on. Hold on.